Hello, my name is Tiffany Williams. I am a Master's in Educational Leadership student at Cornerstone University. And this is my presentation on my unit planning guide. This one is going to focus on the life cycle of the butterfly. And I have a planning organizer that I have put together for this class. So the subject area is science, and it is a kindergarten grade level. It's a life cycle unit. The pacing for this particular piece of the unit is 1 week. We normally do 3 to 4 weeks because we study the life cycle of a butterfly, a chick, and a frog. So in my planner, it has the subject area, the unit, the pacing, the grade level. It also has the big idea, which in this case is living things have needs and have a life cycle much like humans do. My essential questions are next. I tried to limit these so that there are not too many things going on at one time. So the first question is, what is the life cycle of a butterfly? And then the second question is, what do living things need to survive? After that, I have my priority standards, and these are Michigan Science Standards for kindergarten. And one of them is identify that living things have basic needs. The other one is to describe the life cycle of animals, including stages, egg, young, adult, larva, pupa, so on and so forth. Under that, I have a weekly overview, which tells us day by day what activities we're going to be doing. And in here, you'll notice a variety of activities to meet the needs of a diverse learning pool of students. Some of our activities are audio, some of them are visual, some of them are kinesthetic movements. So we try to make sure that we're catering to all the needs of a huge class size with a variety of learners in it. I also incorporated ELA standards every single day. So every single day there is a book of some sort, anything to help develop great readers and lifelong readers is awesome. So there are a lot of reading things included. Reading like The Very Hungry Caterpillar. There's a decodable reader for kindergarten. There is some life cycle books from caterpillar to butterfly. There's also some YouTube links that we're going to be using for this particular unit. After the weekly overview, there is the daily unit plan or the daily lesson plans. In this, it gives you the day, the standards again. It gives you the Bloom's levels here. For Monday, we're in levels 1 and 2. By Thursday, we're in level 4. In here, it also has the essential questions again and vocabulary that's important to this unit. So egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly, metamorphosis, and a few other things. It has the materials and the technology that are needed, as well as the step-by-step procedures for the lesson plans. Also in this unit, we want students to know that they are entomologists, which are people who study bugs. They are scientists in different areas of our science piece, but in this case, they are entomologists. I think it's important to build vocabulary of students so they know the name of the job that they're doing or the person that I want them to be that day. You'll also notice the purpose of our unit, and some of the things that we'll be modeling is how to think. For kindergarten, it's important to model what thinking looks like, what thinking sounds like. We're also learning how to journal because day by day we'll be doing a caterpillar journal to track the growth and see how caterpillars grow and change. Now, I will say that the journal will continue on more than a week because it takes 2 to 3 weeks for this whole project to be complete. But yeah. So the unit will take a little bit longer just for the butterfly journal piece. There's a daily assessment every day, whether it be an exit sheet or a verbal confirmation, thumbs up, thumbs down, so I can check for understanding. This is day 2, so we're in levels of Bloom's 1 and 3. You'll notice in the lesson plans that there are also turn-in talks and other important things that I thought I should add into lessons by Wednesday. Sorry, Wednesday we're on we're on Bloom's level 4. Um, at the end of the unit, there is 2 assessments. One would be the life cycle of a caterpillar, um, being able to put them in order, and the second one is to circle the needs of living things. So in kindergarten, those are both developmentally appropriate. So this is my unit planning organizer right now. Still has some work to do. It's not perfect, but we're on our way.